Shut up, listen. Did you hear that? When the wiper is working, there is a squeaking sound. Be careful when you encounter this situation. If you go to a repair shop, they will ask you to replace the wiper blade, or even replace the entire wiper arm. How much do you think this will cost? Today I will teach you a free method. First, we take off the wiper blade. Look, there is a black spot here. Let's press it and gently pull it, and the wiper blade will come off. Then comes the key point. We gently place this wiper rod on the windshield. Look, there is a gap between it and the windshield. It's deformed. Let's look here. This side is obviously fine. But you see, this side is warped. This is abnormal. This is why the wiper can't clean the glass and there is a strange noise. This situation is easy to deal with. Let's take a screwdriver and insert it and bend it like this. You see, now the wiper rod fits the windshield perfectly. Okay. Now the wiper blades are installed. Let's get in the car and try the effect. Friends, if it doesn't make any noise, please light up the red heart and support me. Come on, let's try it. No sound. The problem is gone. Follow me. Learn about cars every day.